Hello, dear friends and students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, today we will learn about the difference between mass and weight. So, let's start. First of all, how can we define mass? Is mass is the quantity of matter present in any substance. Means the quantity of matter present in any substance is known as mass. And how can we define weight? It is a force, means it is a type of force with which bodies or objects are attracted towards the center of earth, or we can also say is surface of earth. Means mass is the quantity of matter present in any substance, and weight is a force with which bodies are attracted towards the center of earth. The second difference is it is denoted by m. Mass is denoted by m, and weight it is denoted by w. The third one difference is it is a scalar quantity. Means mass is a scalar quantity, it doesn't possess any direction. It is a vector quantity, as weight is a vector quantity and is directed towards the center of earth. As weight is a vector quantity and directed towards the center of earth. Mass is calculated by using formula m is equal to F upon A, or m is equal to W upon G, and weight is calculated by using formula W is equal to mg, means mass into acceleration due to gravity. As mass is constant everywhere. Take a suppose a body of 5 kg is taken to the surface of moon, then its mass will remain 5 kg. There will be no effect on its mass. But weight weight is variable quantity. Weight is a variable quantity and it depends upon value of g, means acceleration due to gravity. If the mass of body is 5 kg, then its weight on the surface of earth will be 5 into 10. We will take the value of g as 10, so it will be 50 newton. If we will take this body on the surface of moon, then its weight will become as m into g. Mass is 5 kg and g on the surface of moon is 1.6, so it will be 8 newton. From this we observed that the weight of a body changes from one point to an other point, but mass remains constant or same everywhere. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, and the SI unit of weight is Newton. CGS unit of mass is gram. CGS unit of weight is dyne. FPS unit of mass is slug, and FPS unit of weight is pound, which is denoted by the symbol LB, means libra. Is mass is measured by using physical balance, and weight is measured by using spring balance. So dear students, that was about the difference between mass and weight. Thank you.